Lab Junction fridge thermometer, digital fridge thermometer, indoor-outdoor temperature mode, model LJ-1496 as per quality standards. These are used for fridge and many other applications. Now, how to install this? This is our main unit. This is temperature sensor cable, one button cell, instruction manual, now how can install this? This is our main instrument. First install the battery like this. This is open side. Open this. Take this button cell. Open. Close this. Now connect temperature sensor like this. This is its stand to place like this. Close this. These are the magnets, like you want to install on some iron surface like almirahs or cupboards or any surface of instrument. Now, how to set its control? Suppose you want to set high temperature, then give a long press to this like this. Now you can control high temperature like this. Suppose I want to set 25. Now lower is set lower temperature. Give a single press to this. You can set like this. Like my lower temperature is written. Enter. Now it achieves to 25 degree. When it achieves to 25 degree, then automatically alarm stops. It takes some times to achieve. Again I am describing. Suppose you want to set high temperature, give a long press to this, set like this. Suppose I want to set 28. If you give a single press, then you have to set low temperature like this. Press, single press. Automatically it can achieve 28 degree after some time and alarm stops. Like this. It takes some time to achieve its temperature, which we have to set. These are the controls to set degree centigrade or Fahrenheit. These are the control. If you want to keep in your room temperature, then you have to set in. If you want to keep your outside, then switch to out position. This is out, this is in. This is, now let's check my body temperature. This is in. It takes some time to achieve its original temperature, which you have to set, or which you have to set your own desired temperature. Thanks.